Did you know that one simple oil has been used for centuries to promote hair growth, reduce wrinkles, and even support gut health? You got it. That oil is castor oil. Now you might be thinking, castor oil. Isn't that the stuff my grandma used to give me? And you know what? Grandma was onto something. This natural remedy has a ton of science-backed benefits. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about castor oil, from its incredible benefits to how you can safely incorporate it into your daily routine. We'll have chapters for easy navigation, so make sure to watch till the end for pro tips on using castor oil effectively. Alright, so let's start with the basics. What exactly is castor oil? It's a question that might seem simple, but the answer is quite fascinating. Castor oil comes from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant. Picture this, these little seeds pack a powerful punch. They're often referred to as castor beans, though they are not true beans. Now, we're not the first ones to discover the magic of castor oil. Its history is rich and dates back centuries. It's been used for thousands of years, dating all the way back to ancient Egypt. The ancient Egyptians were among the first to harness its potential. The Egyptians were way ahead of their time, using castor oil for everything from wound healing to promoting hair growth. They even used it in their lamps as a source of light. So what makes castor oil so special? Why has it stood the test of time and remained a staple in various cultures? It all comes down to its unique chemical composition. This oil is not just any ordinary oil. Castor oil is primarily made up of ricinoleic acid. This component is what gives castor oil its distinctive properties. Now, ricinoleic acid is a type of fatty acid that has some pretty impressive anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. But wait, there's more. It also has analgesic properties, which means it can help reduce pain. Castor oil is also a good source of omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for healthy skin and hair. These fatty acids help to nourish and moisturize, making your skin and hair look vibrant and healthy. And to top it off, it contains vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. This makes it a great addition to your skincare routine. Now, you might have heard some scary things about castor beans, and it's true, they contain a toxic compound called ricin. Ricin is highly toxic and can be deadly if ingested. But don't worry, the oil extracted from the seeds goes through a process that removes this toxin, making it perfectly safe for use. The extraction and refining processes ensure that the final product is free from harmful substances. Think of it like this. Olives themselves aren't that tasty, but olive oil? Liquid gold. The same principle applies to castor beans and castor oil. Same idea with castor beans and castor oil. The beans might be toxic, but the oil is incredibly beneficial. The extraction process makes all the difference. It's a meticulous process that ensures the oil is safe and retains all its beneficial properties. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the good stuff. The amazing health and beauty benefits of castor oil. From skin care to hair care and even medicinal uses, castor oil is truly a versatile and valuable oil. Okay, let's get to the good stuff, the benefits. Castor oil is a versatile and natural remedy that has been cherished for centuries. From ancient civilizations to modern-day beauty enthusiasts, its uses are vast and varied. And because I like to keep things clear and simple, we're breaking it down into 3 main categories. These categories will help you understand how castor oil can be a game-changer in your health and beauty routine. Get ready to take notes. You might want to jot down these tips and tricks to make the most out of this incredible oil. Benefit number 1. Castor oil for hair growth and scalp health. This is perhaps one of the most popular uses of castor oil, and for good reason. Let's be real, who doesn't want luscious, healthy hair? Whether you're dealing with hair loss, thinning hair, or just want to boost your hair's natural shine, castor oil can be your best friend. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural hair growth remedy, and for good reason. Ancient Egyptians, for instance, used it to maintain their thick, beautiful hair. Remember that ricinoleic acid we talked about? This unique fatty acid is what makes castor oil so effective. Well, it works wonders on your scalp. It helps to nourish the scalp, creating a healthy environment for hair growth. It helps to increase blood circulation to the hair follicles, which can stimulate hair growth. Improved circulation means more nutrients and oxygen reach the hair roots. Plus, it's super moisturizing, so it can help to combat dryness and flakiness. Say goodbye to dandruff. A well-moisturized scalp is less likely to suffer from issues like itching and flaking. How to use castor oil for hair growth. Massage a few drops of castor oil into your scalp before bedtime. This simple routine can make a big difference. Leave it on overnight and wash your hair as usual in the morning. The overnight treatment allows the oil to deeply penetrate the scalp. You can do this a couple of times a week for best results. Consistency is key, folks. Regular use will ensure that your scalp and hair receive continuous nourishment. Benefit number 2, castor oil for skincare and anti-aging. This oil isn't just for your hair, it can work wonders for your skin too. Now let's talk about skincare. Incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine can be a game changer. We all want that youthful glow, right? Castor oil can help you achieve that by keeping your skin hydrated and plump. Castor oil is a natural humectant, which means it attracts and retains moisture. This is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity and softness. This makes it amazing for hydrating dry skin and preventing those pesky wrinkles. But that's not all. It can also help to smooth out fine lines and give your skin a more youthful appearance. Castor oil is also packed with antioxidants, which can help to protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants can help to slow down the aging process. And remember those antibacterial properties? They can help to keep your skin clear and free from acne-causing bacteria. They come in handy for fighting acne and keeping your skin clear. Regular use can help to reduce the occurrence of breakouts. How to use castor oil for skincare. Apply a few drops of castor oil to your face after cleansing and toning. This will help to lock in moisture and provide a protective barrier. Gently massage it into your skin, focusing on areas prone to wrinkles like around the eyes and mouth. This can help to improve circulation and enhance the oil's effectiveness. You can use it morning or night, whatever works best for you. Some people prefer using it at night to allow the oil to work its magic while they sleep. Benefit number 3, castor oil for detox and digestion. This might not be as glamorous as hair growth and glowing skin, but it's just as important for your overall health. Okay, this one might not be as glamorous as hair growth and glowing skin, but it's just as important. A healthy digestive system is crucial for overall well-being. Castor oil has been used for centuries as a natural laxative. Its effectiveness in promoting bowel movements is well documented. It works by stimulating bowel movements, which can help to relieve constipation. This can be particularly helpful for those who suffer from chronic constipation. But that's not all it does. Castor oil has multiple benefits that extend beyond just being a laxative. Castor oil can also support liver detoxification. A healthy liver is essential for detoxifying your body and maintaining overall health. Your liver is like your body's filter, and castor oil can help it to function more efficiently. This can lead to better digestion and overall health. How to use castor oil for detox and digestion? Take 1 teaspoon of castor oil mixed with warm water on an empty stomach. This simple remedy can help to kickstart your digestive system. Now a word of caution, castor oil is a powerful laxative, so it's important to start with a small dose and see how your body reacts. Overuse can lead to dehydration and other issues, and as always, it's best to consult with your doctor before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Your health is your wealth, so take care of it wisely. Chapter 3. How to use castor oil safely. Alright, so we've covered a lot of ground about the amazing benefits of castor oil. From its ability to promote hair growth to its effectiveness in relieving constipation, castor oil is truly a versatile natural remedy. But before you run out and buy a gallon of the stuff, let's talk about how to use it safely. It's crucial to understand the proper usage to maximize its benefits while minimizing any potential risks. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. This saying holds true even for natural remedies like castor oil. Even though castor oil is a natural remedy, it's still important to use it correctly to avoid any potential side effects. Misuse can lead to unwanted issues, so let's dive into the best practices. First things first. While castor oil has amazing benefits, using too much can cause irritation or digestive discomfort. Overuse can lead to skin rashes or even more severe gastrointestinal problems. It's all about finding the right balance for your body. Moderation is key, and it's always better to start with a smaller amount to see how your body reacts. Start with a small amount and gradually increase it as needed. This approach helps you gauge your tolerance and ensures you reap the benefits without any adverse effects. And if you experience any adverse reactions, stop using it and consult with your doctor. It's always better to be safe and get professional advice if something doesn't feel right. Now, castor oil is generally safe for most people to use, but there are a few exceptions. It's important to be aware of these to avoid any complications. Pregnant women should consult with their doctor before using castor oil, as it can potentially stimulate uterine contractions. This is crucial to ensure the safety of both the mother and the baby. Also, if you have any pre-existing medical conditions, especially those related to your digestive system, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor before adding castor oil to your routine. This precaution helps prevent any unforeseen complications. Not all castor oil is created equal. The quality of the product you choose can significantly impact its effectiveness and safety. When choosing a castor oil product, look for one that is cold-pressed, hexane-free, and organic. These qualities ensure that you're getting a pure and potent product. Cold-pressed means that the oil was extracted without the use of heat, which helps to preserve its nutrients. This method maintains the oil's natural properties, making it more effective. Hexane-free means that it doesn't contain any harmful solvents. This is important for ensuring that the oil is safe for both topical and internal use. And organic means that it was produced without the use of pesticides or herbicides. Organic products are generally safer and better for your health. Trust me, your body will thank you for choosing a high-quality castor oil. By following these guidelines, you can safely enjoy all the wonderful benefits that castor oil has to offer. So there you have it. We've covered everything from ancient Egyptian beauty secrets to the science behind castor oil's incredible benefits. From promoting hair growth and fighting wrinkles to supporting gut health, castor oil is a true multitasker. Remember those 3 key benefits: hair growth, skin health, and digestive support. Castor oil is like having a natural medicine cabinet in a bottle. But remember, always use it responsibly and listen to your body. Have you ever used castor oil? Let us know your experience in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about natural remedies, check out our video on the benefits of apple cider vinegar. Until next time, stay healthy and informed.